Hello, welcome to Christel Wellness Yoga. I'm Christel, and today I'm going to take you through one of my favorite pranayama breathing technique, which is called Nadi Shuddhi or Anulom vilom, or also called alternate nostril breathing. Nadi means the subtle energy channel in the body, and Shuddhi means cleansing or purifying. So when we practice Nadi Shuddhi, we purify the subtle energy channel in the body, allowing more oxygen to flow freely throughout the body. It really is an amazing pranayama technique. It also improves the blood flow into the brain, thus calms, centers, brings the mind to the present moment. It's good for most respiratory and circulatory problems in the body. And for me, more importantly, it balances the right and the left hemisphere of the brain, the logical, which is the right, and the emotional side or aspect of an individual. Therefore, it really is a very powerful technique to calm us down, bring us back into the present, and be centered. So, first of all, to practice this technique, I recommend you find a really comfortable seated position. So you could be seated like me on a chair in the middle of nature, or seated on your mat. Find the most comfortable seated position. Choose the one that works best for you. Then make sure your spine is straight with your head upright. Relax the mind, relax the body. And then create the Vishnu mudra with the right hand and the Dhyana mudra with the left hand. You can rest your left hand on your left thigh. And when you're ready, close your right nostril using the right thumb. And then breathe in for the left. Breathe into the belly. A nice long deep breath. And then use the ring finger and the small finger to close your left nostril. Release the thumb and then breathing out for the right nostril. Now breathing in for the right. Close your right nostril using your thumb. Release the fingers, breathe out for the left. Breathing in for the left. Close your left nostril using the ring finger and small finger again. Release the thumb, breathe out for the right. Breathing in for the right. Close your right nostril with your thumb, breathe out for the left, releasing the fingers. And now just carry on at your own rhythm. Try to make your in-breath equal to your out-breath. Breathing into the belly. Notice the sensation as you breathe in and as you breathe out. And just carry on for as long as you want. I really recommend you practice for a minimum of 2 minutes and every day if it's possible. And you will notice changes, a lot of changes in the way you feel and in the way you think. I hope you find this short video useful, please give me your feedback in the boxes below this video. Subscribe to my channel, and I will share with you more breathing techniques in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.